Hi guys, this is Sector. Today is Thursday, the 29th of November 2007. It's 25 minutes past 2 p.m. London time. I just wanna record a video about this long entry I've just taken on the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar, which is one of the two setups that I was following today. The other setup I was following was the Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar, but that one doesn't seem like it's gonna give me an entry. Anyway, so this trade on the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar on the 1 hour time frame, I was basically spotting a range in formation between 0.7600 and 0.7650. Actually, to be quite exact, it was 0.7590, okay, from there, and 0.7640, okay, few pips above that, right? Just to be exact, of the boundaries of this range. Also, basically, we've been seeing a trending wick making higher highs and higher lows. And of course, as usual in any type of whenever I spot a range within a trending scenario, I only like to try the possible breakout to the upside. Okay, that has happened right now. Price basically broke above this congestion area, like I'm saying, the 0.7640 in the trigger chart, sorry, which is the 15-minute chart. It gave me the breakout pullback continuation, signified by that red bar up on the breakout. Okay, this being the 40 level, that being the breakout thrust. Then we see the 1 bar pullback, and from there another momentum thrust to the upside, triggering my entry. Okay, we had the round number at 0.7650, and I didn't want to enter the trade until that level gave way, so I placed my entry 5 pips, my buy stop entry 5 pips above that level, 0.7655. I like to base my trades around the round numbers, my intraday trades, that is, around the round numbers. So like I say, I like to enter a few pips after the round number has given way, and exit few pips before the next round number. That's gonna be my target for this trade. I think it's basically an intraday trade, so I'm not gonna aim for much more than that. I'm aiming for the next round number at 0.7700. And and that basically it's nothing but a range breakout in the direction of the trend, and up on a breakout pullback continuation pattern. Okay, entry price once again 0.7655. I'm exiting few pips before hitting the next round number, and as usual, I will be keeping you updated on this trade. Okay. Alright folks, that's all. Bye bye. Hi guys, this is Sector. Final update on this video. As you can see, up on entry, this was my entry level, the 0.7655 level. Up on entry, price moved very nicely in my favor with that long green bar you can see there. Actually, let me zoom in a little bit. Very nice momentum to the upside. Up on entry, price moved about 20 pips in my favor, but from there it snapped back down, even faster actually, down to stop loss levels when I had my, like I say, my stop loss, which has been hit at minus 21 pips. Quite frankly, not much really to say here. It looked like my target at 0.7700 was going to be hit fairly quickly with this long red bar. It filled me with hope, but then I've been fooled. I've been definitely fooled by this trade, like I say, with a with a very fast and momentum-filled move to the downside. Alright guys, that's all for this trade. Minus 20 21 pips. Well, that's the I'm not being very lucky with the New Zealand dollar as of lately. 2 days ago I scored a loss on this same currency, actually, the Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar. Then yesterday I missed a very nice move also on the Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar, and today another trade that I take on the New Zealand dollar. Well, it's I've come out with a small loss, like I say, minus 21 pips. Seems like the New Zealand dollar doesn't want to be friends with me as of lately. Alright folks, that's all for this video. Bye bye. Hi guys, this is Hector again, another update. Well, I've decided to rejoin this trade, the long entry, at the same exact level as my previous entry. It seems like this retracement back down, actually it seems like it's holding this area of former support, which was the channel top, as I was showing you before in the 1 hour time frame in my setup chart. It's I mean, this is the channel top I'm talking about. Okay, up on the retracement. Well, it just seems that unfortunately it overshot about 5 pips, triggering my stop loss, but well, nonetheless, it does seem like it's holding now. Okay, if I zoom back into the trigger chart, well, we can clearly see how price is bouncing of it in momentum, going back to entry levels. And well, what can I say? I've decided to rejoin long at the same entry levels. Stop loss once again placed down here below. Well, if this thing comes back down once again, I'm definitely calling it today for today. But for the time being, I mean, it looks like it's definitely holding. Like I said, some markets are not perfect. Right? I always say the same thing. Markets are not perfect. You cannot expect your levels of support and resistance to hold right to the peep. In this case, it overshot just enough to touch my stop loss. In fact, my stop loss was hit for I think 2 or 3 pips. So, well, you know, very bad luck. But anyway, that's trading. You gotta take responsibilities for your own trades, and perhaps I was a little bit naive with my stop loss placement, and this was just a stop loss hand by the large institutional players. I don't know. I really can't say. I really don't know. What I do know is that price, upon bouncing off this level, it's again gaining momentum in the direction of the main trend as per the setup chart, and well, you know, we are basically back at square at entry point, and I've decided to rejoin long at the very same level. Alright guys, I will yet again keep on updating this video. It seems like it's still going to give us, you know, some trading moments. Alright folks, that's all for right now. I'll be keeping you updated. Okay, bye bye. Hi guys, this is Hector. One final update on this video. As you can see, my final target has been met few pips before hitting the 0.7700 run number, and I've exited the trade for plus 30 plus 36 pips. Well, rather stressful trade, really, having gotten stopped out on the first attempt, and then rejoining as the price rebounding back up on bouncing from this former range stop, up on the breakout. We had the retracement back to this area. Like I said, my first stop loss was hit there, but well, it seems like eventually it did found support of that level. I rejoined long, and finally my final target was met for, like I say, plus 36 pips. Alright guys, that's all for this video. Bye bye.